Hi, this is David again, and in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about Python syntax. So let's get started. As we learned in the previous video, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line, like this. Or by creating a Python file on the server, using the p-file extension, and running it in the command line. Like this. Python indentations. Where in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability only, in Python the indentation is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Example. Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation. Example. Comments. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of encode documentation. Comments start with a hash, and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. Example comments in Python. Docstrings. Python also has extended documentation capability, called docstrings. Docstrings can be one line, or multi-line. Python uses triple quotes at the beginning and end of the docstring. Example docstrings are also comments. And that wraps up this video tutorial on Python syntax. In my next tutorial, we're going to discuss Python variables.